Get ready, because it's time to give your skin the organic makeover it has been craving. Step 1. Say hello to exfoliation with a twist. Using a natural scrub made from oatmeal or coffee not only effectively removes dead skin cells, but also lays the foundation for a vibrant, healthy glow. Step 2. Let's dive into cleansing. A gentle, natural cleanser such as honey does double duty. It washes away impurities and replenishes your skin with essential nutrients. Step 3. It's time for some aloe vera therapy. Smearing fresh aloe vera gel on your skin is like treating it to a soothing, hydrating spa session that heals any existing skin troubles. Step 4. Yogurt mask magic. Imagine cloaking your skin in a soothing yogurt mask. The lactic acid in yogurt has the power to dissolve dead skin and tighten pores. Step 5. Embrace nutrition from within. Picture yourself gulping down ample water and feasting on a diet rich in hydrating fruits and vegetables. This inside-out hydration strategy ensures your skin never loses its dewy freshness. Step 6. Power up with a balanced diet. Filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains nourishes your skin with the essential nutrients it needs to look and feel its best. Step 7. Seal the deal with moisturization. Using a natural moisturizer like coconut oil is like wrapping your skin in a protective layer that seals in hydration, leaving it smooth and supple. And voila, we're done. You've just discovered a comprehensive skincare routine. Armed with this revamped natural skincare regimen, my skin not only feels like it's been pampered, but it also beams with a newly rejuvenated look. This is the true power of embracing and leveraging the beauty nature has. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to improve our skin health.